Ebony, 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 Ebony. Another woman slain, trying to maintain free base and cocaine, stuck in the game. Oh, it's not alright, right? Sitting on your corner looking like Fright Night. She ran away from family and friends, maybe because her father raped her at 10 p.m. to be exact. Now she's hearing voices talking smack, saying, cut yourself, stick yourself. Cut yourself, stick yourself. Cut yourself, stick yourself at 12. She met a man fine as wine, smooth as silk, slippery as ice, soft like a feather from a dove. Fell in love, similar to Cleopatra, fitted ebony like a glove. Yet another lie. PIMP in disguise. Now she's dressing up in high heels and tights, dressing up in high heels and tights, dressing up in high heels and tights. Make up sex over black eyes and white lies and still don't have a clue why. Another statistic of teen pregnancy. Reality of a sister growing up in this society, and I wish I could have told her before I saw the news flash on TV. Ebony, it's me. Ebony, it's me. Ebony.